Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I hope you are doing good, I hope you are doing well, and I hope you are having a beautiful weekend. I hope you are enjoying your time, and let's get started with this video. Unity just released the official version of Unity 2019.3. Now this is the last release of 2019. So this is official, guys, and it's free of bugs and everything. Until now we were using Unity 2019.3. I think 03, and now they just released the latest version, which is the official release, and it includes a lot of features, and we are going to look at them one after one. Before we get started with this video, if you want to download the Unity version, of course just head to the Unity website and you will see this download here, so you can download it for free. And I recommend you to click here and download it, but do not click to download Unity. What you need to do is to download the Unity Hub. Why? Because the Unity Hub will provide you with a lot of amazing stuff. So let me show you here the Unity Hub. So when you download the Unity Hub and install it on your PC, on your Mac, you will have an interface like this. This will be empty, of course, and you go here to this install here, and what you are going to do is to click this add button here, and here you will pick the Unity version that you want. So in my case, I already have the latest version here, which I just installed yesterday. You can do the same, just select it like this, click next, select the build support that you want. If you're using a Mac, you use the iOS build support, the Mac build support, and the WebGL web support. And if you're using a PC, you select and check the Android build support, and of course the WebGL web support. And if you want this Windows build support or Facebook game room, whatever you want, just check it and click this done button here, and you will wait until Unity is installed correctly in your Mac or PC. So in my case, it is installed here correctly, and I will show you the new Unity interface and everything just in a moment. So let me just go back here. As you can see, this is the latest release, and it includes a lot of amazing stuff. One of them is, of course, this included the HDRP, the high definition render pipeline, which is named today, I think, the universal render pipeline. And there is a dot sample project included in it, and there is some new visual effects, graph, and a lot of amazing stuff. And there is also a video published by Unity. As you can see here, I will show you something cool here in this video. Let's just pump up the quality a little bit. So as you can see here, there is a lot of amazing stuff, some high definition render pipeline. As you can see here, it is verified already now, and you can use it to create something amazing like this. As you can see here, those visual effects, as you can see, this is the visual effects graph that's introduced in this Unity version. You can create amazing stuff. This is the shader graph here, you can change the color. This is the ray tracing. Again, look at this amazing detail, as you can see here in the video. Of course, this is some post-processing in the universal render pipeline, as I said before. This is some pretest here. You can customize the defaults, almost anything that you want. This is the quick search. It is added just newly to this version here. You can select the scene tool in updates and use whatever you want. There is some new input system too. We will be using this stuff, guys, in future videos. Just don't worry about this. And this is the most important for me. This is the 2D sprite shape. This is really amazing. You can create tile map easy, guys. This time we are going to see this. And this is the 2D PSD importer, so you can import PSD format directly to your Photoshop without putting it into anything. There is some 2D pixel perfect, the new animation, guys. I mean 2D shader graph. This is some cool stuff, guys, here in Unity. You can go to the Unity website and check the stuff there, so you can use them however you want. And of course, Unity just released a movie. It's a short film, I think. It's called The Heretic. You can go and watch it on the Unity channel or in the Unity website. It will show you the improvement of Unity from the last version to this latest release. And of course, the 2020 will be introducing dots, and Unity will be start working with dots. Now, what is dots? We are going to talk about this in future videos. Let's go to Unity and let's see what we have here. So this is the game that was published by Unity. This is the Lost Crisp, I think. You can download this game for free from the Unity website or the asset store. I will give you a link in description so you can download this project. It's free, guys, included everything here. So if I click this play button here, you will see those amazing stuff. As you can see, this glowing tree here and everything here that looks really amazing. And what's cool about this game, guys, as you can see here, so I have my character here. If I move, you can see there is this glowing and stuff like this. The animation is so cool and everything. But what's really cool about this project here, it will show you everything new in Unity. So for example, in this area here, look, I'm here standing in this place here, and here I have shadow on my hair here, and I have light here. So this is some new features in making 2D light into the games. Before, this wasn't, you can't even do it, you have to fake it, right? So now you don't need to fake it, you can design your design however you want, and you can add this 2D light to give this effect here. And as you can see, when we go to this area here, we have this reflection in the water. This is really amazing, guys, creation. We have those lights on the on the wall here. This is really cool. And if I move here, look what will happen. This light here, look what will happen, guys. Look at this animation here, and look at these visual effects, guys. That is amazing, guys. This is really amazing. And look how it changed the feeling in the game. You can change the light however you want. And now I will go back to the forest. I just want to show you something, guys, really interesting here. So before, this area was really peaceful and cool, right? And now we have those monsters in the shadows. And as you can see, as we move close to them, we imitate this light, and it will show us those particles, right? So as you can see, you can play with light however you want in this new Unity version. And if we go back to this scene here, as you can see, this is our scene. It's not a big scene, it's just a small one, but it works really correctly. Let me just make this area bigger a little bit so I can show you. This is the input system, guys, so we can change the input however we want. We have some shader graph here, and those here, they are all new UI. So everything in Unity changed. So here we have some audio files here, some character, we have some concept art. As you can see, this is the picture used in the background and divided into stuff so it's gonna work correctly. And we have the light here. So as you can see, this is the light we have in our game. If we hide this light here, as you can see, we are imitating this light, and this is the time we have, so we can change from night to this evening to this morning light to this dark again. You can play with this however you want, guys. It's really cool, it's really amazing. You can change the time here however we want. And inside this light again, there is some other files. So we have this global light here. So if I hide it, as you can see, this one here imitating this light on this area here. So here is this global light, and of course we can change the gradient however we want, guys. You can play with the stuff. It's certainly up to you, guys. It's really you who will decide whatever you want to do with the stuff here. There is the spirit for our spirit here. So if I zoom in on my character here, let me just zoom in a little bit so we can see the spirit. As you can see here, if I hide the spirit, all of them, they will disappear, and if I show them, they all show up here. So this is some lights effect here. And of course the forest, it needs some lightning too. So if I hide the forest light, as you can see here, we don't have any light here. This is really amazing stuff, guys. Here Unity did an amazing job into creating this new 2D effect, and we are going to be using them in our games, guys, in the future games, so we can use them however we want. And as you can see, you can stop the game and you can change how it feels according to whatever that you want, guys. This is really amazing, guys, and this is really something cool in Unity, and we are going to be using them into making our 2D game. We will be experiencing with everything here in Unity. We are going to use some new features into making our 2D basic game. So in our tutorial series, this we're going to start in the next month. And I hope we will reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this month. I hope so. This tutorial series will show you how to create a simple 2D game from scratch. It means we are going to learn how to jump, how to move, how to collect, and how to attack, and everything, guys, all in one simple game. And we are going to be using some of these new features that was introduced in this latest version of Unity. So I hope you are hyped, guys, for this tutorial series. I hope you will subscribe to this channel to support me and to support this community, guys. And like if you do like this new Unity version. And I hope to see you guys in the next episode. See you soon.